Good morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Wednesday, November the 6th. Well, the U.S. voting public has spoken, and they have officially selected Donald J. Trump as the 47th president of the United States, with Wisconsin and then their 10 electoral college votes now firmly in the win column for Trump. He is officially over the top of the 270 electoral votes needed to secure the Oval Office. The Trump campaign still holds narrow leads in Michigan, Arizona, Nevada, while Harris is leading in Maine. However, these states so far are too close to call, with a number of votes outstanding. So it appears that issues such as the economy, immigration, and toughness on crime did win out over social issues, including abortion. Republicans have also taken control of the Senate, currently holding 51 seats, with several races still too close to call. The House is still up for grabs, with many races still pending. Republicans came in with a slight majority in the House. So what does this all mean for the marketplace? Well, Wall Street certainly likes it. Futures right now are indicating a 2+% surge in the S&P 500 over a 3% jump on the Dow Industrials, with the NASDAQ up just over 1.5% as well. U.S. dollar has spiked, surging to a 4-month high. Treasury yields have also jumped, perhaps on fears that proposed tariffs and tax cuts could spur another round of inflation and higher rates, and also further bloating the U.S. federal deficit. Commodity markets are seeing a broad-based sell-off, with metals, softs, and agricultural markets all lower overnight. Energy markets are also mostly lower. In the ag space, as one might expect, losses are being led by soybeans, currently down 20 cents. However, still holding above contract lows and even above the lows scored late last month. The fear obviously being that big tariffs on the Chinese imports could lead to another U.S. trade war with the world's second largest economy, much like we saw in 2018-19, which led to China shunning U.S. beans in favor of Brazil, which led to prices falling below $8 a bushel. Corn's down 2 to 4. However, spreads continue to firm with demand strong. Wheat's down 7 to 10. Also, however, holding just above recent lows. In his victory speech last night, early this morning, Trump seemed to imply U.S. agriculture would be headed up by Robert Kennedy. Keys moving forward will be U.S.-Chinese relations, and whether the Trump administration can convince China to better balance their commodity imports between the U.S. and Brazil without a prolonged period of these tit-for-tat tariffs and a full-blown trade war. How biofuels and EV mandates will be impacted will also be key to ag markets, and this seemingly more complicated in recent weeks, with the Trump campaign cozying up to Tesla founder Elon Musk. And how the Trump presidency will impact or could impact the Russian-Ukraine war if U.S. aid is cut off or significantly cut back. All the while, we do have a USDA report on Friday. Pre-report estimates are looking for slightly lower U.S. production and stocks. Right now, I think it's too early to expect any significant changes in South America and their production. Crops are going in now at a pretty rapid pace, and weather forecasts do look mostly favorable looking forward. Right now, just over half of the soybean crop in Brazil has been planted, and we'll get another update from Argentina later tomorrow from the Buenos Aires Grain Exchange. So volatility is starting to pick up. Prices are lower, but we'll see if we can hold these recent lows. And of course, all eyes will next be on the USDA numbers here on Friday. Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a great day.